initial release file of the Mavic Mini 3 did not really have a good range. I was testing it out in Greece and I got signal lost something like 100-200 meters away from the drone. It's not really stellar. Now the new firmware has been released. We are in Europe, actually this is Germany, and I'm going to see now what is the range we get with the new firmware. But first, a couple of tricks how to maximize your range. Now the first thing is that you want to place yourself, as you see, in a flat land, and you want to get like a bit of high, like so. We are on top of a very small hill, but we are on a high place, so you don't want to have yourself in a low position and the drone flying high and far away. You want to put yourself as high as possible. So first thing. And then the second thing, which is quite important, is that you have to take your cell phone and put it into fly mode, because the frequencies at which the drone operates are very similar to the frequencies which your cell phone operates. So put it into fly mode, and then let's see what range we get today. Okay, so let's send it out and see how far we can get. The signal is this RC bar on the top right. We're going to increase a bit the height. We are already 200 meters far away. No signal loss whatsoever, really looking promising. And of course I'm maintaining line of sight with the drone. This is mandatory by law, so I still see it in the sky. Now we are 300 meters, still signal. Let's see, 400 meter, still getting signal. 500 meter, we are still getting signal here. So I would say, yeah, the new patch really has solved the issues. Now we finally can fly without concerns of range. Let's see if we hit the kilometer mark. It's really going far now. 700 meters. We are almost 800. Let's see. Let's keep on going. 850. 900. And I believe we are reaching the 1 kilometer, then I will send it back. So 1 kilometer, and this is, I would say, a really great range. Made it past the 1 kilometer mark. So new firmware definitely solves the range issues in Europe we used to have. This area of course is optimal. We don't have any interference of any kind, and it's open field. But nonetheless, great range results finally with the new patch. Thanks for watching. As always, if you like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next one.